The Hyperglide Cordless by Victor is an ultra-compact upright scrubber dryer, capable of cleaning hard floors and short pile carpets. With its simple push-and-go design, similar to an upright vacuum, cleaning has never been easier. The contra-rotating brushes clean and dry simultaneously, leaving your floors clean and dry instantly. This scrubber dryer is lightweight and portable, making it convenient to use in any space. The swap-out lithium battery provides a 1-hour runtime and recharges from flat in just an hour and a half. With a cleaning width of 35 centimeters, you can cover more ground in less time. The Hyperglide Cordless by Victor is designed to be high performance and low maintenance, making it the ideal upright scrubber dryer for commercial spaces. For more information, please visit us at victorfloorcare.com.